In today's video, we are making something truly special. We're making honey DIY face mask for glowing skin that not only promise to nourish your skin but also light up your entire beauty routine with natural brilliance. If you're passionate about crafting your skincare as we are, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's embark on this journey together, discovering the joy of DIY beauty one recipe at a time. Now let's talk about something exciting, crafting a DIY mask that's not only effective but also a joy to make. We've got a recipe that is a hydration hero designed to give your skin that dewy, radiant glow we all crave for. And the best part, you can find all these ingredients and more at pureblendnatural.com, your go-to for all cosmetic ingredient needs. They've got everything and they ship super fast within Canada and the USA. Alright, let's get into the heart of our DIY project. We're making a mask that uses aloe vera gel, honey, sodium gluconate, XCPE 9010 preservative, and distilled water. This blend is perfect for all skin type and especially great for giving your skin that much needed hydration boost. Here is the step-by-step process. Begin by dissolving 0.1 gram of sodium gluconate in 27 gram of distilled water. This step is crucial as it helps to protect and stabilize our mask, ensuring all the goodness stays locked in. Next, add 51.9 gram of aloe vera gel to the mix. Aloe vera gel is a hydration powerhouse, bringing moisture and soothing properties to our mask. Now, it's time to stir in 20 gram of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps retain moisture, making your skin feel supple and soft. Add 1 gram of XCPE 9010. This preservative ensures your mask stays fresh, keeping it safe from bacteria and mold, especially important when using ingredients like honey. Ensure everything is mixed thoroughly to form a smooth, homogeneous mask. Imagine slathering your skin with this luscious mask, letting each ingredient work its magic, hydrating and revitalizing your skin. It's self-care in its purest form. For all the details on this recipe and links to each ingredient, check the description box below. Head over to pureblendnaturals.com to grab what you need and start mixing. And remember, this project is best used within a month. Thanks to our friends honey, it's all natural but does require some toxic preservative to keep it at its best. Thank you for tuning in, beautiful people. Crafting your skincare product is not just about the glow. It's about the fun, satisfaction, and love you pour into each creation. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's keep creating, learning, and glowing together. Until our next DIY adventure, stay beautiful inside and out.